Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package from Saviland that they were so kind enough to send to me. This is a gel pot kit, so I'm so excited. Let's just open this up and I will show you guys what's inside. So the first thing we have is a package of nail art brushes. This is a super great little pack of brushes to have. It has like fan brushes, striping brushes, painting brushes. It's got a lot of cool stuff in it, so I'm just struggling to open this, but I'm just pulling these all out so you guys can see what they all look like. So the second thing in this kit is just all of the gel pots. So basically these are gel nail polishes, but instead of being in a bottle, they come in little pots. It just comes with the little instructions, but we don't really use this. But it is good if you're a first-time user because it shows you how to apply it, how to remove it. So that's some really good information to have. So I'm going to take all these out of the container. So this is what they all look like out of the box. There's a bunch of them, either 32 or 36 I believe, and they're all different shades, they're all different colors, so this is a great like starting kit to get because you get all kinds of shades, all kinds of colors in one kit. So I'm going to show you guys how it applies really quick on this Macart full cover tip. So I'm just gonna pick this color because it's standing out to me. It's like a mint green color, but I will say that these gel pots are so hard to open. Like this aluminum part is so impossible to get open. So I'm going to cut out me trying to open this. I am using one of the painting brushes that came with the kit to apply this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do 2 coats of this. I just wanted to show you guys like the consistency of it and stuff. It's not as thick as some gel pots that I have. I have like an Anself brand, and these are definitely not as thick. So I really do like them. They apply really smoothly. You just have to be careful of streaks because you can kind of see it here. You just have to make sure that you're holding your brush really flat to the nail, and that'll kind of prevent the streaks a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats of this, and then I will show you guys what it looks like and how it cures. So with 2 coats, this is how the nail looks. It cures perfectly. Obviously I didn't put a top coat, so it's kind of sticky, but cured it for 60 seconds and it looks great. So let's get into this nail set. I'm going to apply my Macart Polygel in the shade Daydream to all of my nails, and then we are going to use the gel pots to do a really fun mix and match French tip design. So I'm going to speed through all of this. I'm going to leave it in, but it's all going to be in fast forward. Alright, so I've applied my Polygel. They're looking great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using my own striping brushes, just because the ones that came in the kit are a little thick for what design I want to do. So I am going to be using my own brushes. They're from Amazon. I will see if I can find the link, and I will link them down below in the description box. The first shade I'm going to be using is this beautiful yellow color in the shade 07. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be drawing my smile line for my French tip with my stripe ring brush, and then I'm going to be using a polishing brush that came with the kit to fill in my French tip. Once I'm satisfied with the coverage, I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds, and I find that that's totally enough to cure it fully. So the second color that I'm going to be going in with is this beautiful pink color in the shade 08, and I'm going to be doing another nail with another French tip with the same technique that I did before. My next shade is this sky blue color in the shade 05, and again I'm doing another Frenchie. So after all my French base colors are applied, this is how they're looking. These colors are gorgeous. I really enjoyed using these gel pots. The pigment is really nice. So I'm going to start going in with my designs for all of these. I'm going in with my small dotting tool and I'm creating white clouds on this blue nail. Now I'm going in with the black in the kit, which is shade number 12, and I'm just going to be doing a little smiley face on my yellow nail. So for the next nail, I'm going to be doing a crocodile print nail. So I'm going to go in with my blooming gel. This is the Amelie Blooming Gel, or I think they call it the Blossom Gel. So I'm just going to be applying this gel just on the pink part of the French tip. And after you apply it, make sure you do not cure it. Do not cure it. I repeat, do not cure the blooming gel. So then after we apply this, we're going to go in with this beautiful purple color and start creating our crocodile skin with the dotting tool. So after the crocodile print is applied, then you can cure. Now we are going in with the shade 08, which is a cute little baby pink color, and I'm just going in with my dotting tool again, and I'm just creating a little bit of cow print on my pinky. Alright, so after I'm done with my thumb, I'm going to cure that and apply my Beetles gel top coat, and this is how we look. I really didn't think this was going to be my style. I always wanted to recreate a look like this, but I ended up absolutely loving it. The Saviland gel pots are amazing. They're really, really good quality. And like I said, it's a great beginner kit because of all the colors. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.